Hi Daniel, I hope that you're doing well. Thank you for your question regarding the factorization and solving of trinomials where the coefficient is greater than 1. So I've written down some steps that we can use in solving this question. So your question is the solving of 6x squared minus 13x plus 6. Step 1 tells us we need to multiply the coefficient of x squared by the constant term. So as you can see, your trinomial is written in the form of an x squared term, then an x term, and then a constant. So we're going to multiply the x squared coefficient, which is 6, by the constant term, which is 6, and we get 36. In step 2, we need to find two numbers that, when multiplied, equal the answer of step 1, which was 36, and when added, equals the coefficient of x term. So I'll give you some time to think about what those numbers could be. So I have found that there are various different options. However, the minus 9 and minus 4 are indeed the correct answers, because minus 9 minus 4 gives us minus 13, and when we multiply them, they give us 36, and hence it satisfies the two parts of step 2. I'm then going to move on to step 3, where I'm going to split up the coefficient of x, which was minus 13, into the two numbers found in step 2. And remember, those numbers were minus 9 and minus 4. So we're going to say 6x squared minus 13x plus 6 equals 0, and we rewrite it as 6x squared minus 9x minus 4x plus 6 equals 0. So we've split up the minus 13 into minus 9 minus 4. And that is step 3. In step 4, we apply the factorization by grouping. So I've written down step 3 again, which was 6x squared minus 9x minus 4x plus 6. And I'm going to group the first two terms and the last two terms. So for the first two terms, we're going to find a common factor, and that is 3x. We're then left with 2x minus 3. In the second term, we have a common factor of minus 2. We're then left with 2x minus 3. We can then see that we have a common bracket, which is 2x minus 3, and then we're left with 3x minus 2 equals 0. And finally, in step 5, we solve by making each bracket equal to 0. So we're going to say 2x minus 3 equals 0. Therefore, x equals to 3 over 2. And we've got 3x minus 2 equals 0. So x equals to 2 over 3. I hope this video has helped you to understand the factorization and solving of trinomials better. I would encourage you to try a few more questions in your worksheet and send me screenshots of those answers so that we can assess whether those answers are indeed correct and that your steps regarding factorization of trinomials is correct. All the best.